September we met.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you all how I make this delicious suya. If you're trying to make a suya and you want it to taste exactly like the one you get from Nigeria, this is the recipe to try. Like seriously, it tastes exactly like the one you get from the aboki. You know what I mean? So what you need is your beef. You're going to cut the beef into thin cut. I actually got the beef pre-cut on the store, so if you can find a beef that is already cut like this, it's going to be perfect. So what I'm going to do now is to transfer it in a bowl. Then I'm going to add in some oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So basically you're going to coat your beef with this coat the oil on the beef, so it's well coated. Then next thing I'm going to do is to add my suya spice, and that's it. So this suya spice I'm using today is the one I actually got from Nigeria. It was very good. So make sure you get a good suya spice, or you can make your own. It's super easy. So I'm going to add the suya spice, and I'm going to mix it all together. Look at that. This beef, like, it tastes exactly like the one you will get from Africa, like the one you get from Nigeria. So when I'm done coating the oil and the suya spice into the meat, I'm going to basically just line it up in a plate. Then I'm going to put it in the fridge to stay or chill there for about 30 minutes, just to get that suya spice into the meat very well. So when I'm done with that, I'm just going to head over to my grill. I'll be grilling this, guys, so I don't like using the oven because oven tend to dry the meat. So I'll grill this. This doesn't take long to grill at all because the meat is very thin, so it doesn't take too long to grill, about a minute or two, and that's it. So just put it on your grill and flip it to the other side. Make sure your grill is not too hot. Okay, you see the condition of the meat is very thin, so make sure your grill is not too hot. So when you're done putting it on your grill, after a minute or 30 seconds, just flip it to the other side. So I'm going to apply some oil, flip it to the other side, and your suya is ready. It's very simple. It's very simple. So make sure you do it like this. The secret is to get a good suya spice, and make sure your meat is cut in like thin cut. Make sure your meat is thin cut. You can get this pre-cut meat in the store. Okay, so that's it. Garnish your suya with some onion, tomatoes, and you've already gotten your suya. So that's it for today. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and try this out if you've not had suya. So try this recipe out. It was very good. So for this, we actually enjoyed this with some gari, like chilled cold gari. It was very good, guys, like seriously. So thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.